That's taking a while. Oh, here we go. Whee! That was amazing! I wonder, where am I? Who am I? And, most importantly, can I have another go? Can I get back up? Let's find out. Oh. Go, bird, go. Up into the sky. Can I do that too? Can I get up high? Give it a go, give it a try. Pull up my arms and maybe I'll fly. Oh, maybe not, but how can I know? Leap into action and give it a go. Go, birds, go, look at those wings. The world is full of incredible things. Go, flower, go, look at it bloom. I'm off, back soon. Go, cloud, go, oh, what a pain. Blow away, don't start to rain. This word go can start so much. You can set things off with a single touch. The rain is still going. Drip, drip, drop. Perhaps I need to keep on going. Give it a go, get on a roll. I will always reach my goal. Or maybe I won't, but there's one way to know. Leap into action and give it a go. Go, chicken, go. Look how she pecks. Now let's move on to the next. Go, chicken, go. One happy bird. We've done it twice. On to the third. You know the words. It's go, chicken, go. There's something new. So many things that chickens can do. Go, trumpet, go. Go, instruments, go. The band's out of hand, getting over the top. Perhaps I need to keep on going! Give it a go, give it a play. The answers will turn up on the way. Or maybe they won't. One way to know. Leap into action and give it a go. Go, frog, go! Watch it hop. Go, leaves, go! See them drop. Go, wind, go! Hear it blow. I simply love to make things go! That's a great name for me. I'm Go, and I get things started. Go, go, go! Go, bears, go! A dancing ring! Go, you funny hopping thing! Go, sun, go! Oh, now it's night. Go, moon, go! Shining bright! Go, stars, go! I made them glow! This is amazing! Go, world, go! Oops. This isn't what I wanted to happen. I said go and it's all still going. The rain's still flowing, the flower's still growing. I said go and the sound is still blasting. I started it going, how long is this lasting? I said go and I didn't think twice. I didn't check first, didn't ask for advice. One little word with enormous might. Is there one little word that can put things right? Take me back to the top, I feel ready to pop. I need to find a way to stop. Stop! 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 Wow! Thank you! Ooh, let's be friends! I'm Go.
Pleased to meet you, Go. I'm Stop.
Oh!
I think this could be the start of something big.
Go!
And stop.
Go!
And stop.
Go!
And stop.
Go!
And stop.
Ribbit! Ribbit!
A
New friend! Hello! I'm Go! I can make things go!
And I'm Stop. I can make things stop.
Who are you? And what can you do?
I'm Little Frog, and I can hop.
Oh. Ah.
My name is Hop. Hop, hop, hooray! Here to help you hop today. Hop on one leg. Hop on two. Hop how you like. It's up to you.
Well, hello there, Hop. I'm Go. Very pleased to meet you. Hopping looks like so much fun.
Stop! Hang on a second. Slow down for a moment. Where did you come from?
No idea. I heard someone saying they could hop, and here I am.
That was me! I love hopping!
Well, I'm Hop, and hop, hop, hopping's what I'm all about.
That's amazing. I asked, what can you do?
And you said, I can hop.
And here I am. Hop!
What?
Oh, sorry. Let me hop you up. I mean, help you up. Ooh.
I can help.
Ooh.
Ooh. Go!
Hop!
Whee!
Stop! Whoa! What just happened?
That magic made me hop. When Hop said hop, the magic made me hop.
You hopped because I said hop.
It didn't work that time.
I wonder why not. What did we do differently?
I was holding Hop's hand like this. Go!
Hop!
It still didn't feel the same.
Oh, why isn't the magic working?
Let's stop and think it through. You were holding Hop's hand, and so was I. Maybe it needs all three of us.
Let's give it a go. Go!
Hop!
Yay!
Stop!
It happened again!
Go, hop, stop, made you hop.
More magic hopping!
This thing looks really springy.
Come on!
Springy? Maybe we should stop and...
Go!
Hop!
Stop! Little frog, are you okay?
I'm sorry. I got carried away.
We should have stopped to check you were ready and that you actually wanted to hop.
Thank you. I was only saying, this thing looks really springy, so watch out.
You're right. Let's have another go. And this time, I'll check first. OK, ready?
Not quite. Those apples look tasty, and I've had an idea.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Go!
Hop!
Woo!
Stop!
Yeah!
Now that's what I call a hop!
And look at all these apples. Thank you, little frog.
You're welcome.
And now I'm going to hop onto this tree stump and have a snack.
Good thinking.
It'll take more than a fence to keep me out. I know. I'll tunnel in.
Wow, look at her go.
Whoa! Stop and think about what you're doing. We don't want you to hurt yourself.
Who are you? I'm Go, and this is Stop. Hello. So, who are you? And what can you do?
I am a completely ordinary chicken. And like any completely ordinary chicken, I can cluck.
They call me Cluck. That's what I do. When I say cluck, then you cluck too. Cluck, cluck.
Okay. It's clear there's more to you than meets the eye. Same with me. I am actually a secret agent.
Ooh.
And I need to get into the hen house now. This is top secret information. I've tried everything to get over that fence. Climbing, tunneling, flying, karate chopping. Nothing works.
Wait, have you tried going through the gate?
That was going to be my next try. No can do. This never happened to the other chickens. It needs a password. No time for that. Come here, gate!
Stop! Why don't we try and work out the password?
It's worth a go. Show us the map again.
That looks like me.
Well spotted, Cluck. Maybe that's the password. Cluck. I wonder. Secret Agent Chicken, can we try something?
Righto.
Press the button and let's see if this works. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go!
Cluck.
Cluck!
Stop!
We did it!
We're in. Next step, the hen house. A double password? They'll never crack that. Maybe I can open it up with my beak.
Or we could think about what worked last time. What does the map say?
There are two of me.
So, maybe we need to do what we did before 2 times? Secret Agent Chicken, let's give this a go!
Roger that.
Go! Cluck!
Cluck.
Stop! And again! Go!
Stop! We weren't fast enough.
Well, it was worth a try. Stand back. I'm going to jump through the air vent.
Let's stop and think this through. What exactly are we trying to do?
Help Secret Agent Chicken Cluck twice in a row! Oh, it's a shame there's only one of you, Cluck.
Really? Well, look what I can cluck-a-doodle-doo. Hello, I am Cluck. How do you do? How do you do? I'm Cluck too.
I've got it. You two make a tower of clucks. I'll hop on top
Stop! Now, how did we unlock the gate?
I saved the day with my super secret spy skills, of course. You did your magic to help me say the right password in time.
Let's try 2 clucks this time.
Go! Cluck! 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 Stop! We did it!
Yes, the hen house is open. I just hope I'm in time.
To save the world?
To stop the bad guys?
Nope, to turn my bath off. Now, if you'll excuse me. Bad bath!
Here we go. Forwards.
Artie!
Forwards. Hup.
Are you okay?
Oh, hi, go. Hi, stop. I'm okay. I'm just a bit muddy. I'm taking the little hoppers on a field trip to that field over there. But only if we can get across this mud without falling in.
Maybe try starting somewhere else. Like here.
Nice. And there's a stepping stone right there to jump on. Far-flung field, here I come.
Artie, wait!
Ugh, mud is so muddy.
I wonder, Artie, you can move sideways as well as backwards and forwards, can't you?
Yes. Oh, do you think that might help?
Yes, more directions. Artie, who are you and what can you do?
I'm Artie, and I can move all over the place. Hello.
Hi, how
Do you do?
Can't wait to see some moves from you.
We'll get you moving with delight.
Forwards.
backwards.
Left
And right!
Hi, moving crew. I need to find a path across this mud. Can you help?
We've got your back.
We need to know which moves and when to do them. Let's take it step by stepping stone. So, we're on this side, here.
And there are the stepping stones.
This patch of grass still feels like a good place to start.
But 2 moves forward took you into the mud.
So, after your first move, maybe your second move should be to the side. I know which way I'd go.
Me too. Moving left would take you into the mud there. So maybe forwards, right, then forwards again.
Then one more move forwards and I'll reach the other side.
So, we need more than one move forwards.
Lots of moves!
3 moves forwards. Coming up!
Hey, right, can you go next, please?
Then 2 more moves forwards.
I can't see anything wrong with that.
Everybody ready?
Ready?
Go!
Forwards.
Right.
Forwards.
Stop!
Hey, I didn't get to say forwards.
Oh, sorry. I had to stop you. If Artie had moved forwards again.
I'd have crashed into that stump. Phew. Thanks, Stop.
Back to the drawing board.
Well, you nearly got across, so maybe we only need a small change. Forwards, right, forwards got you there.
Another move left would take you into the mud. Oh, so let's move right instead.
Then one more move forwards and you'll be across.
So, the full path from the starting point here is forwards, right, forwards. I've got a good feeling about this. Ready?
Ready.
Go!
Forwards.
Right.
Forwards.
Right.
Forwards.
Stop.
Yes, I did it! Thanks, everyone. Oh, but I need to show the little hoppers how to get across too. I'm not sure I remember all the moves.
You don't have to. The moving crew are already lined up in the right order.
They can get them across one at a time. Who wants to go first?
Me!
Ready?
Me!
Go!
Forwards.
Right.
Forwards.
Right.
Forwards.
Stop.
Go!
And stop.
And go!
And stop.
And go!
And stop.
Hi, go. Hi, Stop.
Hi, Artie.
Look at me. I've learnt to move sideways.
Oop.
I can move left. And I can move right. See? Oh, and I can move backwards too. But my favourite is forwards. Forwards, forwards, forwards.
Ooh, it's a dance floor! I love dancing! Especially the tango! Go!
Hey, there's a circle on that square. Just my size. Forwards.
Wow! Do it again!
Forwards. Ooh, maybe I can light up the whole dance floor. Forwards, 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 forwards. Whoops. Oh, I was going to make a lovely pattern.
Did you hear that ticking? I think the music might also be a timer.
I'll try it again and see.
But go faster this time!
Forwards. Forwards.
Go, 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 go!
Forwards, forwards.
Artie, I think you're going the wrong way.
Forwards, forwards.
Woohoo! It's working! But don't... Stop. Oh.
So close! Go even faster!
I can't. Oh, I'll never light up all the squares in time.
I wonder, is there a way for Artie to light up all the squares before time runs out?
Oh, you'll be quicker if you stay on the dance floor the whole time!
Good thinking, Go. Artie, weren't you just showing us how you can move in different directions?
Oh, yes. I nearly forgot.
Who are you and what
Artie, and I can move forwards!
And?
Oh yes, and I can move backwards! Left and right.
My name is Forward, so you know I'm heading this way. Watch me go.
My name's Left.
My name's Right. Our moves will take you out of sight.
Backwards here, how do you do?
Together we're the moving crew.
Thanks for coming to help. Let's get going.
Stop! Let's think this through before Artie gets on that square and starts the timer.
Yes, you're probably right.
Which directions does Artie need to move in to reach every square in time?
After the timer started, I moved forwards, and that square lit up.
Forwards. That's me.
Then the fastest way to move to another square is... Right!
That's half the dance floor in just 2 moves. What next? How about I... move backwards?
Great. So let's get...
Wait! The first square starts the music, but it didn't light up. Maybe Artie needs to move onto it while the music is playing.
So I could move left? Let's try that.
Okay. Everyone ready to dance?
Ready.
Go.
Forwards.
Right.
Backwards.
Left.
Stop. I did it.
Something's not right. There's not much space left. Hooray!
So peaceful, so quiet.
Oh, not again.
It's okay, Artie. You'll get there.
I'll never get it right.
I wonder what that's all about.
It's all right, Artie.
But you only wanted splats on some of your stones.
Well, I could always wash off the ones that I don't need.
No, I can do it. Let me have another go. Splat, 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 splat. How's that? Oh, I did it again, didn't I? I'm sorry, Toad. I just love splatting so much.
I know. Why don't we have another look at the plan?
Oh, yes. It's a lovely plan. It really is.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, go. Hello, stop.
Hello, Toad. Oh, hello. Who are you? And what can you do?
Hi, I'm Artie, the artist, and I can splat.
My name is Splat. A splat's a hop that leaves a mark each time you drop.
Hi, Splat. Maybe you can help. We're trying to paint some splats, but we just don't want them everywhere. See?
Ah, I get it. Artie needs to make splats on some of the stones, but not all of them.
But art is all about splatting, isn't it? Splatting's what I do.
It's not all you can do. Look what you're doing right now.
You're right. I'm Artie, and I can hop.
My name is Hop, 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 hooray! I'm here to help you hop today. A hop is a short leap forward.
A splat is the same, but leaving a mark.
I wonder... Toad, I think Hop and Splat can help Artie make this pattern.
Really? That is good news.
So how do we make this pattern?
Let's see. Hop moves you forward without splatting. What if we tried putting a hop before a splat?
Ooh, I like your thinking.
Let's give it a go. Ready? Go.
Hop!
Splat.
Stop!
That
Oh,
went well. Nice hop.
And that's a lovely splat.
I did it. I really did it. Oh, but it's not quite right.
It's almost there, Artie. You've made a really good start.
I'm sure I can do this all in one go. Let's start over.
What exactly is this pattern? How does it go?
Oh, I see it. It goes space, splat, space, splat, space, and it can keep going. Splat, space, splat, space.
Stop! I think we get the idea.
The pattern is a space and then a splat over and over.
Hop gives us a space and splat gives us a splat. There are 5 stones on the patio, so we need 5 moves.
Hop, splat, hop, splat, hop. We need 3 hops and 2 splats, please.
No problem. Hey!
Now, if you take turns lining up. Ready to try this one more time?
I'm ready to make some art.
Go!
Hop!
Splat!
Hop!
Splat!
Hop!
Stop!
You've done it! I'm the proud owner of an original arty artwork!
I really did it! Splats and hops are so much fun! I'm going to fill the world with hoppy, splatty art!
Try this again. One more time. Frogs go ribbit,
Toads do too.
but how does a cow go?
A cow goes.
Oh.
That was great!
Yes, but is something wrong? You seem a little unhappy.
Well, we're practicing a new song for today's concert.
And our special guest cow is having trouble knowing when to...
Moo!
Exactly, when to moo.
Stop! Come back!
I think we can help! Hello, I'm Go. Who are you and what can you do?
I'm cow and I'm getting it all wrong.
Why not stop and take a deep breath? There now. Isn't that better?
Hi, thank you. I'm so nervous. I've never been in a show before. All I need to do is join in when it's my turn, but I just can't do it.
I wonder, how about if I tell you when to go? When I say go, you do your thing.
That would be helpful.
Sounds like we have a plan.
Let's give it a try. Music.
You've got this.
Frogs go ribbit,
Toads do too.
but how does a cow go?
A cow goes.
Go.
Stop! Stop!
I'm sorry, I panicked. You said go, but then I thought of all the things I could do. Whistle, unicycle, juggle water balloons.
Oh, I see. No wonder. Wait, can you really unicycle?
Wait! Let's stop a moment and think it through. I wonder, would it help if we told you exactly what we want you to do?
That would make it clearer.
We want you to moo. You can moo, can't you?
Of course.
Then say it like you mean it. Who are you and what can you do?
I am cow and I can moo.
Moo! They call me Moo, that's what I do. When I say moo, then you moo too. Moo!
Moo.
Moo!
Stop! We have a show to think about.
Then think fast! It's showtime! Look! Our audience has arrived!
Wait! What What do I do? And when do I do it?
It's okay. We're here to help. I'll tell you when to go.
I'll tell you what to do.
And I'll let you know when it's time to stop.
OK then. Let's moo this.
Ready?
Ready. Frogs go ribbit.
Toads do too.
But how does a cow go?
A cow goes.
Go!
Moo!
Stop!
I did it.
Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4!
A cow doesn't croak.
That would be a joke.
So tell me, what does she do?
A cow goes.
Go!
Moo!
Stop!